Where are my chocolate shortbread cookies lovers? I got you. This recipe is one in a million. It is so amazing and you will love it. Hello everyone. Thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this simple yet delicious chocolate shortbread recipe with you. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my salted butter. You can also use any type of butter that you want. Next, I'll also go in with unsalted butter as well. And I'll be listing everything I used in the description box for you to check it out. Moving forward, I'll go in with some granulated sugar. You can also use icing sugar and it works perfectly fine. I'll also go in with some vanilla essence. Use any flavor of your choice. Next, I'll go in with my hand whisk and I'm going to whisk this or mix very well until the sugar dissolves very well. If you also have machine mixer, you can also use that one because it works very fast as well. So while that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after getting the right consistency, I'll go in with some chocolate or cocoa powder. You can also use one if that is what you want. I'll also go in with some evaporated milk as well. I'll stir everything together until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Remember, in this recipe, I didn't use any salt because of the salted butter. But if you want to add just a pinch of salt, it is allowed. Alright, so after getting the right consistency, I also go in with my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. Remember as well to go in with some clean hands, and we're going to mix this dough until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. I do share inspiring and easy recipes right here. So if you love what you're seeing right now and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to my channel? Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after mixing the dough, this is how the dough should look like. It should be very soft and it should come out from the bowl very nicely, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So while that is done, I'm going to keep this in my refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and afterwards I will start to roll out the dough using my rolling pin to get the perfect size that I want. If you don't want to keep your dough in the fridge as well, it is totally optional. You can omit it as well, right? So you just have to mix your dough, and after getting the right thickness that you want, you start by rolling out your dough and you cut them into the shapes or the sizes that you want. So after rolling out the dough, this is the perfect size that I'll be going for. So I'll begin to trim the sizes a little bit, just the way you see it on your screens right now, and afterwards I will cut them into the shortbread shapes that we normally see on market. You can as well cut them into any shapes of your choice as well, but this is just perfect. Next, I will use my fork to create that small holes that we normally see on our cookies. You can also omit it if you don't want to. And afterwards, I'm going to be baking this in my air fryer. You You can also bake this in the oven if that is what you want, but today I'm going to be using my air fryer because it's been long since I used this air fryer. I just want to disturb it a little bit. Okay, so that was just by the way. So I'm going to arrange my shortbread cookies into my air fryer just the way you see it on the screens right now, and afterwards I'm going to bake this for about 160 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, and it should be ready. So now let's go and bake it, and afterwards we will see the magic of these cookies. And after baking it, this is how it turned out. I love how it turned out, and your kids and the whole family are really going to enjoy this chocolate shortbread cookies. Also, let me know in the comment section what you think about these cookies as well, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.